Himalaya Manipur na. Himalaya Manipur na. Himalaya Manipur na. Today, 3rd May 2024 is the completion of the Manipur violence day. Since 3rd May 2023, on this day, the Kuki militants, the Kuki terrorists had attacked the meeteis people of the Manipur at Silchar, Kangpokpi and More districts. The domination of the Kuki terrorists and narco terrorism has been very much pressurized the meeteis to flee from their own land, the Manipur. The indigenous people of Manipur is meeteis and Nagas, the mainly. But the Kuki illegal immigrants and with the help of the narco terrorism, they had totally destroyed the meeteis people from the Silchar, Kangpokpi and More districts. That's why the government of India and government